Where you been, cousin? You been out of pocket. You ain't posted no videos from us. Where have you been? Don't worry, cousins. We will get to that at the end of the video. We're going to get off into these looks first, though. Hey, cousins. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, y'all. How y'all been? I bet you saying, where you been? You been out of pocket. You ain't posted no videos or nothing. Cousins, we're going to get into these looks first, okay? And then we'll get off into that later at the end of the video. What's up, cousins? If y'all are new over here, honey, I'm Shauna T. Baby, we talk about fashion. We talk about Jesus. We talk about life and everything in between, all right? So, y'all, this is a little short miniature haul that I did. It is summertime, and we are going to be outside. So, we're going to get off into this very first look that I have on, which is this blue dress right here. Now, y'all actually got this dress in two colors, this blue, and then I also show you the orange as well. So, y'all, this dress here has a ton of stretch off in this dress. So if you wanted to, you could even size down in this dress. Now this of course came from Eloquii. It does have a ribbed type material, which I absolutely love with this dress. Now just for reference, y'all, my height is 5'5", okay? So this dress goes all the way down to floor length on me, and I'm actually showing you guys this dress because I don't have any shoes on. I just wanted you guys to see the full length. So for all of my cousins who are taller than me, you guys could be like, okay, well, if she's 5'5" with no shoes on, and you know you're 5'6" or 5'7", you know it's going to be probably more like a midi length on you, just kind of depending on how your weight falls on you and all the things, right? So I just thought I'd implement that off in there. But y'all, this dress is cute. Now I picked both of these two dresses up because number one, I did a brand photo shoot. So I needed my colors, and blue and orange is a part of my colors. So I was like, these are perfect. And then child, listen, because it's hot in Texas. I don't know about y'all, but in Texas it's hot, okay? So perfect because it is sleeveless. Now I do love the sleeves. It does have like these little ruffles. Not ruffles, but I'll say detailing that is along the sleeve with both of these dresses. But I will say the stretch is phenomenal in this dress. Now you can definitely go in and style this dress a couple of ways. You can put on some sneakers with this dress. You can definitely go in and put you on some heels, or this can even be your brunch dress as well. You can put on your cute little flat or mule to rock with this dress. And because it is a solids, here's a quick style tip: mix and match and play with patterns when it comes to your accessories, y'all. You don't have to be so matchy, okay? Throw you on some zebra, throw you on some cheetah, throw you on a colorful bag or a colorful shoe or sneaker to go in and actually rock with this dress. And this blue is for the summer time, okay, y'all? And then also the orange one, same exact dress, same exact size with this dress. Y'all, play with the colors when it comes to this orange dress as well. Now I know I get a lot of questions when it comes to like the shapewear that I have on. I will have my what I call my holy grail shapewear. That's my keeps me extra tight and pulled and snug down in the description box. Now I will tell y'all up front about that shapewear. Now honey, listen, if you are in a climate like I am in Texas, I recommend you putting that shapewear on, getting dressed, and then you go inside to the event where you're going. That particular shapewear is not meant to be worn outside, okay? Now I do have my second shapewear that's linked down below, which is a little bit more breathable for the summer time as well. If you say, you know what, I am going to be wearing this dress outside somewhere, or you're going to be outside a long length of time. So that is my recommendation when it comes to shapewear and you wearing these dresses. But I absolutely love both colors that I picked up of these. The next thing that I picked up, it came from Ashley Stwards. So y'all, I actually went in store and got this dress because I'm not dressed, Jesus. and got this short set because I was looking for something last minute and I didn't have time to go online and order. So I do want to let y'all know that this short set is actually available in stores if you have a local Ashley Stwards to you, and it comes in multiple colors. Now, of course, I got this real pretty bluish like color. I do have on a 26 in the bottoms because y'all know I got a lot of legs, hips, and butt and surprise at the bottom. But in the top, I actually have on a 24 because when I did purchase the size 26, tried on the size 26 top in store, it was a little baggy, a little big. So I did want something that was going to fit me a little bit better. So just to let you all know. Now, I could have opted for the size 24 in the shorts, but baby, listen, it was a really little bit too snug around my legs and all the things. So I wanted something that was going to give me just a little bit more room, which is why I opted to go a size up in the 26. So that's just a little tip if you have a local one to you or if you are ordering it online. But I love this short set, y'all. I love the cargo pockets that it has on the sides. They are functional, so you can put something on in them if you just needed to. I don't think y'all will, but you may want to, all right? Also on the jacket, it does zip up, and it has a hood on the jacket as well, just in case you need to put a hood on. But it's summertime. I don't really think y'all gonna be wearing no hoods like that because it's hot outside. Now the colors that this short set comes in, it comes in a red, it comes in a black, it comes in a green, and it comes in this blue color. If there are any additional colors, I will make sure they're up on the screen so that you guys can see the different options that you do have. So at the time of me recording this video, I do want to let y'all know I believe Ashley Stwards do have these items on sale. So honey, listen, hopefully when you see this video, they still on sale and you can still go and grab you one, okay? But I definitely love this short set. I actually wore this short set to an event. It was really cute and casual, and you can mix and match, of course, your tennis shoes with this one. Or if you want to put on some sandals, you can go ahead and put you on some sandals with this look as well. So y'all, those are the looks that you guys can go and shop. You can either scan the QR code here on the screen and shop these direct looks, or you can definitely go down below and click the link to go in and shop these actual looks. Now with my jewelry, I did not mention my jewelry because my jewelry that I have on, y'all, it is basic, my basic gold jewelry that I always wear. This watch actually came from either the Beauty Supply House or City Trends. one or two. It came in like this little set, I think like around Christmas time. So there's actually no link for this, but all my jewelry, my little rings that I love and I wear all the time, these rings came from Amazon. Those will actually be linked down below. Now these earrings, y'all, that y'all see right here, these earrings I actually did pick up in Ashley Stwards. If the link is actually still on Ashley Stwards site and they are not sold out, I will definitely link these earrings. Now I got these earrings, y'all, in gold and also silver, and I love them. I'm a big earring wearer. If there are any of my cousins out there who are like me, okay. So that is the actual complete look and also accessories that go with everything. Now we to the tea, okay? Girl, where you been? What you been doing? Why you been out of pocket? Why you ain't posted no outfits for us to go and get, girl? You ain't did no Faith and Fashion Fridays with us. Y'all, I'm back, okay? I'm back. So, long story short, I was working. If you guys do not know, I am a business coach. I owned a plus size boutique. I own a t-shirt brand as well, right? I no longer own the plus size boutique. They trying to get me to do that again. But I no longer own the plus size boutique, but I do still own my t-shirt and apparel brand, which is Expressions Inc. Okay? So I am a business coach and I help women go in and build their businesses with really e-commerce brands, helping them with their content. So the beginning part of this year, that's what I was doing. I was traveling with my clients, shooting their content, helping them go in and actually build their brands for them. So I will pop up pictures and videos so that you guys can see that's where I've been. That's what I've been doing. Child, I just been working. I've been working. So now I do have a little balance where I can go in and get my videos back on YouTube and start back talking to you guys with the fashion and other things as well, because I think I want to share other parts of me with you guys as well. So be on the lookout for that. Another thing I will tell y'all that my personal style is also changing in this particular season of my life. And this is what I mean. Normally, you know, I really go in and do like the cute little dressy things, but that's because that was a season that I was in. This season, I am a 100% sneaker girl, a girl who wears flats. I really don't wear a lot of heels anymore. When it comes to me just actually dressing myself. And I know y'all guys have heard me say this before, where I say, hey, listen, you need to actually dress for your lifestyle and the things that you do. So because I do a lot of traveling now, and I also do a lot of coaching, I'm on my feet a lot when I'm out, I have become a sneaker girl. So a lot of my outfits that you guys will see probably going forward will either have sneakers or flats, maybe even a wedge or two, but not so much of the heels, because I literally had to go in and switch up my whole wardrobe. Maybe I'll make it like a little series to just show y'all what I actually had to do within the past couple of months to literally flip my entire wardrobe. Y'all, I'm talking about from my basics, everything. I still have my other stuff, but just to go in and flip my style for my current lifestyle right now. So y'all let me know down in the comments, and I can go in and put a video together. It probably have to be like a couple of videos that I go in and do to put that together, just to show y'all how I actually redefined my own personal style, which was very hard for me, believe it or not. It was hard for me. I can do it for other people, right? I can look at other people and do it, but it was actually hard for me to do it on myself without hiring like a stylist or somebody to come in and actually help me do that. So if that is something that you guys want to see, let me know. I'll go in, put the videos together, make it like a little mini series, walk you through like the mood boards that I put together, the basics that I bought, like really all of the things to really turn my wardrobe into more of a I would say elevated casual wardrobe, because that's what I be wearing right now, unless I'm taking a picture or somebody invite me to come to an event. So y'all, that's where I've been. That's what I've been doing. I'm so glad to be back on YouTube talking to y'all, being able to show you guys outfits and all of the other things. Faith and Fashion Fridays is coming back this coming Friday. So make sure that y'all be able to tune in, honey, because we're going right back to Faith and Fashion Friday. I have the Believe Bigger book and journal link down below for those of you who need to go and get it. But yes, honey, I am back. Thank you guys so much. Because listen, that's it. I'm rambling. I'm finna go. As I tell y'all always, baby, listen, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, honey. And make sure that you do what? Make sure that you own it. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.